My name is Amy Tozlowski. I am an occupational therapist, mainly focused on two areas. One area is fine motor or visual motor skills, where we're working on doing things with our hands. So things like handwriting or cutting. For the little ones, it could be things like stringing beads, stacking blocks, some of the pre-writing stuff. For older kids, it can be working on handwriting, letter formation, things like that. Even moving farther than that, looking at assistive technology for some of the older kids, typing, voice dictation software. And then we also look at sensory processing in the classroom. So that could be, it's how your body perceives the environment around you. What kind of things can we put into place to help kids get through their day that have those sensory processing issues? The most rewarding aspect for me is just seeing the kids making progress. I had one student last year that I started with in kindergarten, and she, at the beginning of the year, we were underneath tables trying to just get her to engage in fine motor activities, and at the end of the year, she was sitting at a table writing her name and using scissors and participating with the rest of the class. So just seeing that growth in kids is super rewarding, and I know I'm not the one that's solely responsible for it, but being a part of a child's team to help them grow and learn and just be able to participate in school is super rewarding. I started on the career path of an OT in the schools, and I knew that's what I wanted to do, but it took a lot to get there. When you're in school and you have fieldwork opportunities, really pushing for those opportunities to work with kids, to work in the schools if you know that's something that you're interested in. Once you're in the school working, keep being persistent with trying to meet those needs of the kids. Some days you feel like you're a dog chasing its tail, running in circles, not really making much progress, but keep that bigger picture in mind, of what you're going for, what you're trying to help with to, keep driving you forward. So.